Welcome back to Ella Creative. I'm Ella, and in today's art tutorial, we will be drawing Baby Dory from Disney's Finding Dory. This will be a mostly follow along tutorial here on YouTube. Feel free to check out my IG Live art classes on my Instagram at Ella Creative LLC, which are also posted to my IGTV. Alright, let's get into drawing Baby Dory. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this Draw With Me tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see more Draw With Me Disney characters, and be sure to tag me on Instagram at Ella Creative LLC so I can see and reshare your work. A couple of you guys have shared your Baby Dory drawings with me, so here's a spotlight on some of you. Send this video to a family member or a friend. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next Friday for another art tutorial, and until then, happy sketching!